Hey everyone, today we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence and how you can harness its power to generate passive income. That's right, we're talking about making money while you sleep. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's explore 5 incredible ways to use AI to build your passive income empire. First up, content creation. AI tools can be a game changer for producing high-quality content at scale. Choose a niche. Identify a topic you're passionate about and has a potential audience. Utilize AI writing tools. Use platforms like Jasper.ai or Copy.ai to generate blog posts, social media content, or even video scripts. Monetize your content. Once you have a steady stream of content, explore options like ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Share your expertise with the world by creating online courses. AI can streamline the process. Identify your expertise. What skills or knowledge do you have that others would pay for? Develop course content. Use AI to assist with course outlines, script writing, and even video creation. Choose a platform. Select a popular learning platform like Teachable or Udemy to host your course. Promote your course. Leverage social media and email marketing to reach your target audience. AI can revolutionize e-commerce. Here's how to tap into this potential. Find a profitable niche. Research products with high demand and low competition. Source products. Use AI-powered tools to find suppliers and negotiate deals. Optimize product listings. Utilize AI to write compelling product descriptions and optimize SEO. Automate marketing. Employ AI-driven advertising and email marketing campaigns. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative passive income stream. AI can help you maximize your earnings. Find profitable affiliate programs. Research products or services that align with your audience. Create valuable content. Produce high-quality content that promotes affiliate products. Optimize for conversions. Use AI to analyze website traffic and optimize for sales. Track and analyze performance. Monitor your affiliate links and adjust your strategy accordingly. AI can create stunning digital assets that you can sell. Choose a digital asset. Decide whether you want to focus on art, music, or designs. Use AI tools. Explore platforms like Midjourney or MuseNet to generate your assets. Create a sales platform. Set up an online store to sell your digital creations. Market your work. Promote your digital assets on social media and relevant platforms. Remember, AI is a tool, not a magic wand. It requires effort and strategy to generate passive income. Be patient, persistent, and always stay updated on the latest AI advancements. I hope this video inspired you to explore the world of AI and start building your passive income empire. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep innovating.